everyone. So this is Liberty fabric that I am going to make micro welt from. So I'm just squaring it up right now and getting the strips ready. Micro welt is just a really tiny size of a welt, which is also called piping, and it's where the fabric is wrapped around like um, a cotton or poly or some type of a round cord, and is used decoratively around pillows, or where I'm using it in the table topper combined with a really pretty scallop trim. So I'm just cutting all the strips I need, and then you just make one continuous yardage out of that by sewing. Oh, there's the micro welt right here. So this is between an eighth and a quarter inch size. It's 5/64. So I will be taking that to the machine. Here I'm measuring out how much of the cord that I need, and it's just it's made similar, same process to put the fabric strips together as you would if you were going to make quilt binding. The only difference is you don't have to press it in half afterwards. So here I am stitching the pieces together, at the 90-degree on the angle, and quarter-inch seams, and I'm chain piecing them, which is always fun, and it goes by really quickly. Because it's a square table topper, I did not have to cut these strips on a bias, so that also made it a bit easier. And I think I made about 6 yards of this. That's my little, you can see that little, that free cutting mat that I got from Handy Quilter. So I have it right next to the sewing machine. Cleaning up the edges. Okay, now I am stitching the welt cord inside of the fabric strips. And I'm just centering it on the inside. I don't have anything pre-pinned or anything. I'm just adjusting it as I go. This is the foot I am using. It has a groove in the middle of it so that the piping fits right in there and stitches very nicely. And I'm stitching it snug, but not too snug. So yeah, I just keep placing it in the fabric and zipping along. So this Liberty fabric is Tanalon, and it's really gorgeous fabric, and I love it. But the tissue weight of it makes it challenging to sew at times. So I had to guide it on the back, and it's you don't pull it, but you just keep it straight. Otherwise, it started to get bunched up behind the foot. And then it's sewed beautifully. So yeah, we're coming near the end here, and that's it. So now this is ready to be stitched onto the table topper.